Hello guys, today we are going to learn about usage of do or does in this English grammar lesson. We use do or does for present tense. The time signals for present tense are every, like every week, every day, every month, always, usually, often, regularly, seldom, rarely, etc. So we use do for subjects like I, you, we, they, plural nouns. What does it mean by plural nouns? Plural nouns are things that more than one. We use does for subjects like he, she, it, singular noun. Singular noun. Singular means only one. So whenever we use thing that is only one, we use does. Let's get started. Number 1, she blank her homework every day. In this kind of sentence, we have to find the subject first. What's the subject? She. And as you can see, there is time signal, signifies that this is in present tense, which is every day. So she, we have to use does. She does her homework every day. Number 2, we blank not want to play soccer. What is the subject? We. So we use we with do. We do not want to play soccer. Number 3, you blank not have to wait for me. What is the subject? The subject, you. You, so we have to use, yes, do. You do not have to wait for me. Number 4, he blank not like spicy food. What is the subject? He. So we have to use does. He does not like spicy food. If there is the word not, we call this negative sentence. Number 5, blank she jog every morning. There is question mark in here. So this is not negative sentence, but this is question or interrogative. There's question mark. It's interrogative sentence. So what is the subject in here? She. So because she is the subject, we have to use does. So the sentence becomes, does she jog every morning? Okay, let's continue with number 6. Blank they come early every Friday. What is the subject? They. So they, we have to use do. Do they come early every Friday? There is time signal here, every Friday. Oh, this one too. Every morning. Number 7, I blank not want to buy the shoes. What is the subject? I. This is negative sentence with the word not, but the subject is I, so we have to use I do not want to buy the shoes. Number 8. Blank it bark loudly every night. Look, there's every night time signal for present tense. So we have to use, before that, what is the subject? It. And of course we have to use does. Does it bark loudly every night? Okay, number 9. My friends blank not go to the library every week. The time signal signifies present tense. Every week. My friends. My friends is the subject. So there is S in here, signifies that this is in plural, because singular form for friends is friend. Plural, friends. Like that. Then next, my mom. So wait, the answer, if it's plural nouns, we have to use do. My friends do not go to the library every week. Number 10. My mother and I blank the shopping every Sunday. Every Sunday signifies that this is in present tense. And then what is the subject? My mother and I. Okay, so whenever blah 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 and I signifies that this is more than one. So more than one, right? So of course we have to answer with do. My mother and I do the shopping every Sunday. Number 11. You know the answer? What is the subject? You. So we have to answer do or does? Yes, do. Do you know the answer? Number 12. The children blank not want to swim. What is the subject? The children. Children is plural. Why? Because the singular form for children is child. The plural form, children. So if it's plural, we have to use do. The children do not want to swim. Number 13. Blah blah blah. Max watch a movie every week. This also signifies this is in present tense with every week. And what is the subject? Max. Max is a boy's name or a man's name. So it's like he. So what do we have to use? Yes, does. Does Max watch a movie every week? Number 14. Amy and Meg blank not drink coffee every morning. Every morning signifies that this is in present tense. How about the subject? There are two in here, Amy and Meg. So if there are two people like blah 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 and blah blah blah. For example, Tom and Ben, Sally and Tim. We have to use, because two people in here, we have to use yes. It's plural, so we have to use do. Amy and Meg do not drink coffee every morning. Number 15. Blank the baby cry every night. What is the subject? The baby. It's only one, right? So if it's only one, it's singular. If it's singular, we have to use does. Does the baby cry every night? Okay, I have a challenge for you. What is the answer for this? The man blah 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 not walk fast. What is the answer? Do or does? Please answer in the comment. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you. Bye.